Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra Sun Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. So, mga gusto mo pa personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, or kung gusto niya sa akin, ito yung details for that TikTok shop, Unipree, para sa mga products na available sa amin. Such as Evil Eyes, and yung mga nakikita niyo suot ko, and crystal rings, bracelets, and etc. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba, kahit po heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Simulan na natin yung reading Libra. Main energy for Libra, please, for Libra. Emperor is here and the Star, dalawang major arcana yan. Yung ba sa inyo, with the Emperor, masyado kang malakas ang loob or matapang, or you're doing something ngayon. With regard sa communication, maybe yung iba may mga, I don't know, nakita tayo dito ng parang may mga bagong ginagawa regarding sa pakikipag-communicate. Yung iba maybe nakikipag-connect or communicate with other people, maybe installing dating app, mga ganun, or maybe being more sociable online, sabihin na natin ganun, with the Star. I see the Star as like an online energy, online connections, and this is you want to build something, maybe new friends. No, hindi naman love agad but rather maybe you want to build something new. You want to communicate ngayon muna sa iba. And that's what you're doing. You're being more sociable, especially sa usaping online. Sino yung person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love for the sign of Libra? Person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love. Okay. Justice card is at the bottom of the deck. The Tower. I don't know if you're married to this person or may relationship sa inyo, partnership sa inyo. Currently, this person is moving on. Medyo may mga bagay siyang hindi ino-open sa'yo, and which is, yun nga, technically when this person is moving on, hindi siya para i-open up yung feelings niya, emotions niya, etc. Masyado siyang sarado. Ten of Pentacles, I feel like itong person na to is nag-iipon ng pera for now. And maybe kasi may plano siya regarding that. Maybe may kinalaman din sa kanyang career. Emotions niyo sa isa't isa. The moon is here, so Eight of Wands. So nakakita tayo ng back and forth messages sa inyo, communication, pag-uusap. Ten of Swords and the Nine of Pentacles. This person is not okay. So pwedeng hindi siya okay ngayon. Ten of Swords, nasasaktan siya. Kaya nga siya nag-move on. Nine of Pentacles, nagfo-focus siya sa finances. Talaga, part of moving on is, mag-focus sa finances and focus on positivity sa buhay. Pero hindi mo pa rin maiiwasan sa kanya na masaktan. Nag-move on nga nasasaktan siya. Okay. And I feel like meron kang itinatago dito sa person na to, like a secret. Can you tell me about this, please, with the moon? Ace of Pentacles. Regarding something new na pinagkakabalahan mo. Maybe new work, career, or source of income. Yung iba naman maybe you're on this hermit mode. This is Virgo energy. So, improvement pagdating sa sarili mo, or the hermit kasi literal yan, no? Your hermit crabs, they have their own shell. So, ngayon, maybe, tinatry niyang protektahan yung emotion niya sa'yo. Yung parang, I feel like this person is yung person na kakonect mo, parang, hindi ka pa kasi masyadong sigurado sa emosyon niya sa'yo or what. So, parang, because wala kang assurance, you are focusing on other connection. Kasi una sa lahat, ba't ako mag-focus? Kumbaga yung energy mo, ba't ako mag-focus sa kanya? Eh, hindi ko nga sure kung magugustuhan or ano, or magtutuloy ba yun sa amin itong taon to. Kasi, parang hindi niya, yung iba sa inyo, you could be dealing with someone na parang, maraming itinatago. Parang, financially is yung focus niya. Pero at the same time, lalo na kung ang communication niyo is through chat or through online, parang kailangan mo ng assurance kahit doon man lang ng mag-message siya ng about ginagawa niya or story sa buhay niya, and you're not getting that assurance na itong taong to is walang ibang kakonect or what. So, because of that, hindi ka ganun katiwala sa person na to. Kumbaga kung hindi man sa sitwasyon niya, siya mismo, 'di ba? Parang pag nag-invest ba ako sa person na to, may makukuha ba ako or may mababalik bang feeling sa akin or what. So, parang because of that, that's why there's this new beginning na pwedeng pinagkakaabalahan mo kasi wala kang assurance sa ngayon. And what will happen in the near future sa inyong dalawa? In the near future, you do have your lovers. The Nine of Swords. Clarify the Nine of Swords, please. Queen of Pentacles. Clarify the Nine of Swords and the Queen of Pentacles. Eight of Swords. Page of Wands. King of Wands, Two of Wands, the Magician. Clarify the King of Wands, please. The Chariot is here at the bottom of the deck, and then you have the King of Pentacles. Guys, some of you, I can see other connection. Like, you could be dealing with two people. You could be the Queen of Pentacles, no? You are someone who thinks financial matter and importante sa'yo yung stability mo, financial stability. Maybe importante sa'yo yung status mo, importante sa'yo yung kung ano yung meron ka sa buhay mo. But because of this, you're stuck. Pagdating with the Page of Wands, maybe you're stuck sa pakikipag-communicate dito sa person mo kasi somehow pero parang pwedeng pinoprotektahan mo yung sarili mo and or yung yung emotions mo. There's this, I can see yung iba hindi lang dalawa, could be three people that is involved in the connection. There's this someone who really do loves you a lot, no? May taong nakikita tayong may gusto talaga sa'yo, but there's problems or you're not satisfied din sa love or sa taong ito. And there's someone who is nakikita natin there for you, but parang may something siyang inihintay na mawala or umalis. But this person is already eyeing on you. Pero at the same time, if you are already in a relationship, pati yung person na kakonect mo, minamasdan or tinitignan din niya. Or, really, really focus on that. Na parang, pag iniwan ka, if you're already in a relationship, pag iniwan ka nitong taong to, kaya kong i-replace siya sa buhay mo. That kind of energy. Yung iba naman sa inyo, there's this third person na involved, which is, I can see Year of the Snake or Dragon. Pwede ngayon yung Chinese zodiac sign niya, pero okay lang kahit hindi. Yan lang nakita ko. But I see another person here na parang yun yung pwedeng ma-focusan mo or magustuhan mo na next, but pwedeng hindi pa ganun kalapit yung or malayo masyado yung taong to, or there could be problem sa connection ninyo. Nakakaamoy ako ng kape. This could be a reading. The Magician is here. In the near future, a lot of discoveries ang makikita mo, no? Marami kang gagawin mo na sa sarili mong improvements and pag-aaral. Discovery din sa sarili mo. And I feel like in the near future, there's plano regarding the King of Wands. Someone is going to do something, like maybe mag-travel, plan of traveling. What you want is the King of Pentacles. Parang ito yung dapat for you kasi you are the Queen of Pentacles eh. So, sino ba tong King of Pentacles? Tell me about this person. Temperance, Two of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Ay, oo nga. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sagittarius energy. Bottom of the deck is the Sun. Nakakarinig ako ng hopya or hoping. So, this person is hoping for you. Yung nakikita kong image ngayon is like, you know the story of Pocahontas? So, si Pocahontas parang meron siyang nalink siya dun sa taong parang balak sumira sa tribo niya or dun sa lugar nila, parang ganun. I'm not sure about the story, pero parang ganun yung story. Kasi hindi ko naman napanood masyado yung Pocahontas. And kung maalala ko, bata pa ako. But parang ganun yung flow ng story eh. Tapos si Pocahontas parang gusto niya peace lang. Unlike you, you're a Libra, you want peace. And you don't want, of course, na masira yung iyong tribo. And for some of you, that has something to do with family. So, pwedeng ito person na to is parang the person who wants to, you know, masira yung family mo, lalo na if it is unhealthy or narcissist kind of families, no? For whatever reason. So, itong person na to is a Temperance, patiently waiting. So, ito yung person for you. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching and I love you all and bye-bye.